Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing, setting up, and customizing the Love Compatibility Widget using the Divine Astro WordPress plugin. With this plugin, you can effortlessly display Love Compatibility readings on your website, allowing visitors to check their romantic compatibility based on numerology and astrology. Whether they are curious about their current relationship or want insights into a potential partner, this widget makes it simple. Let's get started. The first step in setting up the Love Compatibility widget is installing the Divine Astro plugin on your WordPress site. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, then use the search bar to look for Divine Astro. Once you locate it, click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. After that, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once activated, you will notice a new menu item labeled Divine Astro in your WordPress dashboard. This confirms that the plugin is successfully installed. Now, let's move on to activating and authenticating it. Before using the Love Compatibility widget, you'll need to authenticate the plugin with your Divine API key and authorize your website. To obtain your API key, log into your Divine API account or sign up for a free 7-day trial if you don't have an account yet. Once inside your dashboard, navigate to the API keys section and copy your unique key. Next, return to your WordPress dashboard and click on Divine Astro from the left-hand menu. Go to the Authenticate tab, paste your API key into the designated field, and click Save Settings. After this, you need to authorize your website to enable the widget's functionality. Copy your website URL from WordPress, then visit the Website Authorization section in your Divine API dashboard. Paste your website's URL into the provided field and click Save to complete the authorization process. Once done, go back to your WordPress dashboard and refresh the page. You should now see a confirmation message saying your site is authorized with a green badge. This step is crucial because without authorization, the widget will not function correctly. Now that the plugin is set up and authenticated, let's add the Love Compatibility widget to your website. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Divine Astro, click on Popular Picks, and select Love Compatibility. Here you'll find the shortcode needed to embed the widget. If no shortcode appears, click on Create New Shortcode, which will redirect you to the Divine API. Save your settings, return to WordPress, refresh the page, and you will now see your newly generated shortcode. Copy the shortcode and click on Pages, then Add New Page. Paste the shortcode into the WordPress editor, whether you're using the block editor or the classic editor. Alternatively, you can open any desired page or post and paste the shortcode where needed. Once you're happy with the placement, click Save or Publish to make the Love Compatibility widget live. You can then click View Page to see how it appears to visitors. To ensure the widget matches your website's design, you can customize it using the built-in customization options. Click on the Customize button next to your shortcode, which will take you to the Divine API dashboard. Here you can modify settings such as colors, fonts, layout options, and even set a default compatibility reading to display. These customization options allow you to align the widget's appearance with your website's theme and create a more personalized experience for your visitors. For a detailed walkthrough on customizing the widget, we have a dedicated tutorial linked in the video description. Once you've finished making adjustments, save your changes. The next time you refresh your WordPress page, the new design settings will be applied automatically. If you plan to use multiple shortcodes, you can easily manage them by keeping track of their unique IDs. You can assign different shortcodes to different pages to provide varied content. This flexibility allows you to optimize the plugin for different sections of your site, providing a more engaging experience for your users. And that's it. You have successfully installed, set up, and customized the Love Compatibility widget using the Divine Astro WordPress plugin. Your visitors can now enjoy insightful compatibility readings directly on your website. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is available via live chat or email at admin@divineapi.com. Thanks for watching and happy customizing!